Hey everyone, this is Aryan and today I've purchased my new Xiaomi trimmer. So before buying this trimmer, I was going to buy the same trimmer which I had before, which was a Philips. But later on I thought giving a chance to Xiaomi. So let's get into the unboxing video and I'll give you the trimmer details while unboxing it.
Now while I'm unpacking the box, let's see the details of the trimmer. So as you can see, it has 40 length settings, which means you can cut your beard in 40 different type of lengths. Then it has stainless steel blades, which is very precise and very sharp. Then next is that IPX7 waterproof rating, which means the trimmer is almost waterproof. And then it provides 90 minutes of powerful battery. That means you have to just charge your trimmer for 2 hours and then it can go non-stop for 90 minutes. And the other specs are quite self-explanatory, so I'll leave it to you. Okay, now let's see what the packaging box has. So it has general invoice and the main trimmer box, so let's keep that aside, and here we are. So make sure to check the seal of the main box, both the sides, because if the seal is broke, then you have to contact your customer service of Xiaomi or respective company. So let's skip it. Now let's see what's inside the box. So here's some general struggle to open with the box with the one hand. So let's see what's in the main box. So the main box, I guess, has user manual. Now I don't know who cares to read it, but I recommend you to go through it once. Now let's see what's in the box. So it has 120 lens setting and a charging cable, a cleaning brush and a traveling bag, which is so useful. And I think I've already removed the trimmer. Now let's get an overview of the components. So here's a general trimmer charging cable to A type, and then there's a 20 lens setting cap, and there's our trimmer. So as you can see, it has a sleek black design, matte black design, which looks so good, and it has 20 tile settings, which means you can use the trimmer with 40 settings in total. Now if you didn't get the 40 lens settings part, let me explain it to you. So as you can see, there's a cap attached to the trimmer, and you can use the 20 settings attached to this cap. Then if you replace the cap with the larger one, then you can use the other 20 settings. So in total it becomes 40 settings. Now let's get an overview of the all components separately, and also of the trimmer, in which I'll talk about the LED lights and the blades, etc. Now as I've talked before about the trimmer's body, let's see once again what it has. So as you can see, it has a charging port and on off button, 20 dial settings cap, and LED lights to which indicate the charging level of the trimmer, and cap. Now the in-hand feel of the trimmer is really good, as it has some weight. The weight is an advantage to this trimmer, as the weight provides good grip and reduce the vibrations. Now let's jump into the next part, which is blades of the trimmer, which is the main point or the main thing in the trimmer. So the blades are pretty sharp and can be used to cut any type of hair on your body, and as the company claims, they are self-healing or self-regenerative. So I don't know what that means, but I guess they have a very low degrading quality. So let's assume that and see for how long it goes. So moving to the next part, which is charging. So Xiaomi gives you a 2.2 USB type A cable. Now Xiaomi trimmer 2 comes with an USB type A to type C cable, but later on I thought, why to spend $500 for type C cable. Now moving to the next part, which is a common brush, a cleaning brush. It is pretty useful, and almost every company gives you a cleaning brush with their trimmer. So for this you have to remove the upper cap of the trimmer and clean your trimmer.
So thank you guys for watching this video till the end. So that was my honest opinion about this trimmer. Now if you're still wondering that whether you should buy this trimmer or not, so I would say it's depend on you, because I personally was using a Philips trimmer for 3 years, and somehow it got some issues and it suddenly stopped working. So I asked the customer service and they said you have to replace it. Replacing cost was almost the 20% of the main price, which was almost equal to the price of new trimmer. So I thought giving a shot to Xiaomi, and it turns out to be good. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos. I'll be uploading the videos regularly, so stay tuned. See you.